Welcome back to our Super Nintendo World Grand Opening Special with another NES game, and this time it's going to be Jeopardy Junior Edition on the NES. Let's see how we do. Let's have a good game, most importantly. And today we're facing Gene and Joan. Alright, their names almost sound alike. Okay. Adventures for 100. He was Dr. Jekyll's evil side, who was Mr. Hyde. Adventure stories for 200. Jack London's white fang was this kind of animal. What is a dog? Adventure Stories 300. He was captain of the Nautilus in 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea. Who is Nemo? Adventure Stories 400. This pirate had only one leg in Treasure Island. Who is Long John Silver? Adventure Stories 500. This writer took his time traveler into the past and future in the time machine. Who is H.G. Wells? And we got it. $1,500. I'll take American Revolution for 100. History tells us that this woman made the first American flag. Who is Betsy Ross? The American Revolution for 200. Washington and his army spent a cold winter camped at this Pennsylvania place. What is Valley Forge? The American Revolution for 300. This French nobleman helped the American colonists in the war. Who is the Marquis de Lafayette? The American Revolution for 500. George Washington was born in this state. What is Virginia? The American Revolution for 500. The British General Cornwallis surrendered to General Washington at this place. Wrong. I'll say what is Yorktown. That's correct. So I have $3,000 sitting in front of me right now. I will take Captains for 100. This cartoon captain has a breakfast cereal named after him. Who is Captain Crunch? Captains for 200. I'll bet it all. Billy Batson is this comic book superhero. I will say who is Captain America. He's the one. Captains for 300. He's the host of a children's TV show that features Mr. Rabbit, that features Bunny Rabbit and Mr. Moose. Who is Captain Kangaroo? Captain's 400. He was then named Hawkeye in the movie and TV series MASH. Who is Captain Pierce? Captains for 500. This is the story of a spoiled rich boy who learns about life from fishermen who rescue him from the sea. What is Captains Courageous? That is right. Let's take food names for 100. Meat between two slices of bread is called this. What is a sandwich? Or if it's on a bun, a hamburger. But sandwich is correct. Food names for 200. This long macaroni is usually topped with sauce. What is spaghetti? I'll take food names for 300. This round breakfast food is made of eggs, flour, and milk beaten together and cooked in a pan. What are pancakes? Food names for 400. A round fried pastry with a hole in the middle has this name. What is a donut? Food names for 500. This brick-shaped main dish is made of beef, pork, veal, breadcrumbs, and eggs mixed together and baked. What is a meatloaf? Alright. Which one do I want now? NFL for 100. The World Championship game of the NFL is called this. What is the Super Bowl? The NFL for 200. This is the hometown of the NFL team known as the Cowboys. What is Dallas? NFL for 300. The National Football League has this number of conferences. What is 3? That is not right. It's 2. I was off by 1. 2. Let's keep going. The New York Giants play their home games in this state. What is New Jersey? The NFL for 500, please. This is the original name of the New England Patriots team. What are the Boston Patriots? Alright. Ran the category. Let me have school... Or I didn't run the category, I mean. This is the assignment to be done at your house after school hours, because I got the conference clue wrong. Oh well. What is homework? $200. This person is in charge of a school. Who is the principal? $300. Before beginning first grade, most children spend a year in this class. What is kindergarten? High school seniors in this grade was 12. Last clue. Having to stay after school as a punishment is called this. What is detention? So I have $11,300. Jean is $300. Joan minus $500. So she gets to make the first selection. Springtime, okay. March comes in like a lion and goes out like this. What is a land? Springtime 400. April showers bring these. What are Mayflowers? Springtime for 600, please. The first bird of spring. What is the robin? Yeah. Springtime 800. The first flower of spring. What is the crocus? Yeah. A springtime 1000. Small spring insects we tell to fly away home. What are ladybugs? Alright, random category. Let's take boo words for 200. These baby shoes are made from yarn. What are booties? Boo words for 400. The last car of a railroad train. What is the caboose? Boo word 600. A curved wooden weapon that came from Australia. What's a boomerang? Boo words for 800. The nickname for someone who studies and reads a lot. What's a bookworm? And boo words for 1,000. Killer of Abraham Lincoln. Who is John Wilkes Booth? Oops. There we go. Yeah, we're good. Compare this for 200. As stubborn as... What's a mule? Compare this for 400, please. As warm as... What is apple cider? Oh, we got that wrong. Oh, as warm as toast. Oh. Duh. Anyways. Pins and needles, okay. The top of a pin. What is the eye? That's wrong too. Darn. The top of a pin is called the head, not the eye. Alright. The tall steel tower that attracts visitors in Paris. What is the Eiffel Tower? Foreign cities for 200. British city that is the home of Big Ben and Buckingham Palace. What is London? Foreign city 600. Kremlin is located in this capital of Russia. What is Moscow? Foreign cities 800. Italy's city of 7 hills and the site of the ancient Colosseum. What is Rome? Foreign cities 1000. This city has canals for streets and gondolas for taxis. What is Venice? $19,900. I'll compare this for 600. As cool as What is a cucumber? Compare this for 800. As snug as. What is a bug in a rug? Compare this 1000. As plain as. What is the nose on your face? Pins and needles 400. Part of the needle that the thread goes through. Oh, now's the time for the eye. Pins and needles for 600. Crochet needle is blunt at one end and has this at the other end. A hook. Alright. This craft is done with yarn and 2 needles. What is knitting? Pins and needles 1000. I'll do 1500. Steel pins and needles can be attracted and picked up with this. What is a magnet? Absolutely right. Proverbs 200. 2 of these are better than 1. What are heads? 400. I'm gonna bet it all. It sweeps clean. What is a new broom? Yeah, buddy. 600. This gathers no moss. What is a rolling stone? $800. It saves 9. What is a stitch in time? Uh-oh. That's right. Now the last clue. Joan, you have to get this right to stay in the game. This is worth 2 in the bush. What is a bird in the hand? So I have $52,800, Gene has $700, and Joan, you're going home. Let's play Final Jeopardy. The category is By the Sea. I'm gonna wager $27,200. That way, in case I'm wrong, I'll have something left over. Quite a substantial amount left over, I should say. By the Sea is the category. Here's the clue. The New Jersey resort where the annual Miss America contest is held. I think I know this. Atlantic City. Yep, so I'm gonna end up with $80,000 this game. See you all for another game after the break.